Hey guys, in this video we will explain how to submit Singapore tax info for Indian AdSense publishers. So, Google needs two types of tax information. One is a US tax info which is mandatory to submit. Another is for the regional tax information from where you get your payment. For Indian publishers, Google sends payment from Singapore. So you need to submit this tax info if requested in your AdSense account. Log into your AdSense account and go to the payment info section. So where you can find a big error message is showing that your Singapore tax info is missing, and then this will affect your payment and withholding tax. So click the add tax info. Again you will see a message showing that Google is legally required to collect the Singapore tax information from you. So again click the add tax info button here. The next screen you will be seeing a pop-up showing that you need a document for tax resident certificate. Don't worry, you can have either tax resident certificate or a PAN card. Make sure the document is in a PNG or JPEG format and the name in the PAN card is clearly showing as same as your AdSense account. And when the document is ready, click the start form button here. So it will open the tax information form. So the first question you can select here is the business type, select as an individual business type, and then select no for a permanent establishment in Singapore. Next, select no for the GST service in Singapore. So tax exemption, select yes. This will open the tax residency option, and then select the country as India. And now you have the proof of tax residency. There are two options you can do it here. One is the tax residence certificate and another is the PAN card or any other legal document. For tax residence certificate, the Google support document shows the tax residence certificates for India should be the certificate of residence for the purpose of section 90 and 90A in form 10FB. So if you can get this document, it's fine. If you are not able to get this document, don't worry, you can just use your PAN card. So select the document type as other document and then upload your PAN card. So does this document have an expiry date? Select no option and then click the submit button. The document will be submitted and you will see the status as accepted. However, the status of the document verification will still show as in review. This will take 7 business working days from the Google. So, but however, you will get an email immediately after a couple of hours. Now that you have submitted your PAN card, you will get a rejection email from Google in couple of hours. Go back to your AdSense account and check the payment information section. You will see a big red error message again showing that there are issues with your payment. And now this time if you see, you will see two error message. One is for the YouTube and another is for the your AdSense account. If you don't have a YouTube account, just ignore it. Otherwise you can fix the message by selecting AdSense account first and then by selecting the YouTube account again. Click the small arrow mark here to expand the error message. So now we will see the additional document is required. So click the view tax info link here. Now you will see the status is showing as action required. So click the show tax details link here. So if you see the status is showing as action required and there is a small trash icon next to that. So don't worry, simply click on the trash icon now. You will be prompted whether you wanted to delete this form. Click the delete button to confirm. You can refresh the page and see the status is showing as accepted. There will be no error message showing. You can follow the same steps for AdSense account as well as the YouTube account. Though it looks weird, so that's how it works for now.